Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now usually during evening tea time, I think we all like to have something nice and hot and spicy like bhajis or vada. So today I'm going to share a nice simple onion vada recipe. This is also called as Ulli Vada. This is a little spicy than the usual pakoras that we have or the vadas that we have. So let's get started and check it out. So for the onion vada, first I'm going to mix a few ingredients along with the onions. So for this recipe I've taken about 3 medium-sized onions and I've thinly sliced them. So like I said, I'm making it a little spicy. So I'm adding 2 green chilies finely chopped. If you don't want it very spicy, you can cut it down to 1 green chili, a piece of ginger finely chopped, a few coriander leaves finely chopped, a few curry leaves finely chopped. So to this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now you can adjust the salt to the number of onions that you've taken. Don't add too much of salt at a time, it can become very salty, so just be careful while adding the salt. Quarter teaspoon turmeric powder. Next add 1 teaspoon chili powder. Quarter teaspoon asafoetida powder. So first mix all these ingredients together nicely. Since we've added the salt, the onions are going to release a lot of moisture. By mixing the onions like this, all the layers will be separated nicely. To this I am going to add 3 tablespoons of gram flour, that is besan, 2 tablespoons maida, that is all purpose flour, and 2 tablespoons of rice flour. So rice flour will just make it nice and crispy. So just mix everything till it's all well combined. So the rice flour is optional. If you don't want rice flour, you can just add the besan, that is the gram flour, and the maida. So you can see I have not added any water. The moisture from the onions will naturally absorb the flour. So you can see it's coated the onions beautifully. Let the mixture sit for about 10 minutes. Now we're going to make the vadas. For this, take a kadai, pour enough oil for deep frying. So after 10 minutes, you can see the onions have released a lot of moisture here. So I have not added any water. Take a little bit of the onion mixture. Gently pat it on your palm to shape it into vadas. So once the oil is nice and hot, maintain the flame on medium-low. Now gently drop it into the hot oil. Deep fry them till you get a lovely golden brown color and it's cooked through. Once you get the nice golden brown color, remove from the oil and serve it nice and hot. Here are these delicious, hot and yummy Ulli Vada which can be enjoyed with some nice tea coffee by the side. Make sure you serve it nice and hot. You don't need any dips, tomato ketchup or chutney to go with it. These are tasty as they are. So do try them, enjoy and share it with your family and friends.